Hey everyone, I'm going to do a channel support video. This friend of mine, his YouTube channel is called Chief Made. Left a message 5 hours ago on one of my multiple video gates that I did today, CB Radio video gates. And of course you can read the comment here. It says, "The new gate man of the Great White North, right on brother, love it." And then he mentions, "Send me some of those subs you have." Now I'm currently sitting at about 4.4 thousand. Which in respect to YouTube is a fair amount since I first started. But of course it's not a gargantuan amount, but it's growing day by day, week by week, year by year. And so I want to give a shout out to this guy here, Chief Made. He hangs out in Snake Radio Customs chat quite often, and see him there all the time, making some nice positive comments, and a wonderful gentleman, I must say. And always a pleasure to have him in Tim's chatting, and always a pleasure to have him responding to my videos. And I've watched some of these videos and made comments as well. So anyway, this is about his YouTube, and I prefer if you just go and search it for yourself. Don't take my word for it. He lives in the United States. He joined on January 16, 2020 to YouTube. And it says, "Exploring the world of radio, tuning for best audio and clean signal, demonstration of radios and tips and tricks. For info on new radio setups and options, or getting your favorite old radio a facelift, email me at cmcradios@yahoo.com. So he's providing a service out there. If you've got some old radio that might need to be enhanced and cleaned up, and talk to this guy. He's new at the game. I mean, he's been out of the while, but at the YouTube game, he's only got 88 subscribers. I can remember when I was way back to 5 and 10 and 100 and then 200 and so on. We all start somewhere, and I can recall many times along the way that I had people on YouTube give me a boost up, a leg up. It's not a handout. I'm here doing this because it's the right thing to do, to support one another. If it weren't for people like Chief Made, I wouldn't be getting subscribers neither, because he's subscribed to my channel, and I am subscribed and liking with the bell. Sadly, besides my channel keeping me pretty busy and watching Tim's chat, I fall behind on watching a lot of videos. Very guilty of that. So, how do you find Chief Made? Yeah, I found him very easily in Tim's chat. Clicked on it, clicked on the side there, and found his channel, and subscribed, and rang the bell. YouTube has a weird way of posting people's web URLs here. So his YouTube channel, and there's a bunch of gibberish is all it is. I've tried to find a way to locate exactly how to get his video, his YouTube name. Like mine is www.youtube.com/TobinIndustrial. I believe that that's where I first started off, and I kept that name, of course. But I moved on to my actual name for my YouTube channel, as they recommended some years ago, to just use my real name, and I did. So you're talking about a guy that's into CB radio, probably a bit of 10 meter. See a Lincoln video down here, President Lincoln. This is just on the main page. Any tone, quad 6, and some interesting videos. I haven't watched all of them. I'm not even 1/10 my way through his videos, to be honest with you. So my apologies about that. But there you have it. Let's zoom in on that there. Chief Made. Let's click on the video and pause it and get a minute. See if I can get a good. Oh, sorry about that. Really sorry about that. Thought I had my audio down. So anyway, how do we get to that picture without making noise here? This is how to use a clarifier on a Striker 955, and I thought I was going to run into the actual his picture of his YouTube. So how do we do that? I don't want to belabor running overtime here, but there it is. I'm going to zoom in because I'd like to be able to get a good shot to make a little bragging right on my YouTube, showing a picture of his channel, so that it might be easier to find. So what can we do about those 88 subscribers? I know you're like me, most of my subscribers out there. You're probably not going to get a chance to watch this video for some time. But if you do drop by, give the guy a sub. And see, I should be doing this more often for more people. A lot of people on YouTube that are just getting on to go and need some encouragement. So if you don't mind, you can watch the video. And if you're like-minded like me, you know, I'm into a lot of different things, including CB radio. But I mean, I have a vast array of interests. So I got a lot of people on my YouTube channel that I subscribe to because of my vast interests. If you're into CB radios, repairs, actually looking for somebody to polish up a radio, enhance it a little bit, do some work on it, get it running, this is probably the guy you might want to have a look at and contact. Of course, Snake Radio Customs, I'd be remiss if I didn't mention him and his channel that I spend a lot of time in. He restores radios, modifies them, enhances them, makes them into a piece of art, actually a work of art. And you don't need to take my word for it. You can check out Snake Radio Customs on YouTube, and you can also find his website, which is the same, www.snakeradiocustoms.com. But for today, let's focus on Chief Made and see if we can get him a few likes. Just a few likes, folks. And show him some support. Send him a message. I just got to check one last thing. I have a few friends on YouTube that you can like their videos, but they have the comment section shut off for obvious reasons. Okay, so right here, as you can see, I'm able to comment. So his comments are open. So I'm going to leave him a comment there now on this video that he's made back in March 15th. I haven't seen this one. So show Chief Made and like-minded people on YouTube some love, and let's get some subscriptions on to go for these people and ring the bell. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching.